Hello everyone, I am Swarna here from Tints and Dreams. So today I wanted to share with you the 3D decoupage or paper tote. So I have created this frame. Let's get started. The raw materials required are the 3D decoupage sheets from I have purchased from craftreat. These are the newly launched ones. So the other things I'm going to take this design, and the other materials are the foam tape, tacky tape, and the foam pad, embossing tools, then scissors, pencil, ruler, then liquid glue as well, and also you require 12 by 12 cardstock paper for creating a frame. So first we will create the frame. We have to measure the size of the design. So you have to cut the cardstock according to that. Here I have the size of the paper is 4 and a quarter by 6. So the cardstock will be 9 and a quarter by 11, and you have to score on all four sides at a distance of half an inch till 2 inches. As you can see in the screen, I am scoring at half inches till 2 inches. So you have to score it very patiently, and as you can see I have scored on all four sides, and you have to create a small line at half inch distance on either side of the 11 inch side. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the paper as per the markings I have created here. As you can see, I have marked with the pencil, so you have to cut it accordingly. So let's do that. Have some patience and cut properly, otherwise the frame won't come out good. So once when you have finished cutting, you can see a small flap, a square flap at the edge of the paper. So that flap, in that flap you have to create a slit so that it bends easily, so we can connect it to the other adjacent flap. So similarly I'm going to cut all the other sides too. Now you can see that I have finished cutting all the sides. Now we have to fold all the lines where we have scored on the paper. So using the bone folder, I am folding all the sides. Each and every line should be folded using the bone folder. So this frame I have created for just as a basic tutorial for 3D decoupage. Any technique can be implied on this. We can include texture designs, stencil work, stamping, or mixed media art, or you can use the 3D decoupage on a glass bottle surface. Anywhere it can be used, and it is an amazing and easy art to work on. It looks difficult, but once you know the process, the basic process of doing it, it's very easy. So I'm just now I'm doing the framework, the base frame. So once I have folded all the sides, now I am going to stick all the sides to the base. So a frame is created. The height of this frame is half an inch. It's up to us. You can customize, like you can change the measurements, and you can, if you want a more depth frame, you can change the distance. Like instead of half an inch, you can take 3 by 4 or 1 inch, so that the depth will be more. So I am using liquid glue here to fix the frame, or you can say that sides of the wall or the sides of the frame. So it takes time, it's up to us. You can use tacky tape or liquid glue or any adhesive which you are easy to use. So but not the hot glue. Hot glue it won't be you can't use hot glue in this, because it will be giving a bulgy effect to the frame. So other than that, tacky tape is also fine if you are okay to work on it. Now we have to fix the design to the base. So using the liquid glue itself, I am fixing the design to the base. So I have to crease the design, crease all the parts. So burn, or you can say burnish all the parts, so there won't be any bubbles visible. And once it is ready, now we are going to cut all the layers. So the base layer is L1 and the one I am going to cut is L2. So they have clearly marked all the layers where you want to fix by in numbers. So it will be easy actually. There won't be any confusion. So if you are not familiar with the fussy cutting, I will suggest that you can practice it by cutting or any images from magazines or newspaper or any other books, so that you will get familiarized with fussy cutting, and then you can do the fussy cutting of this image. So it's actually a fun part of to do fussy cutting. I just love doing it. So it's actually easy. Once you know the process, it will be easy actually. And now I have finished fussy cutting. Now I have to emboss the image. So using the foam pad and the embossing tools, I am going to emboss the image. So you should know where to emboss. Like if it is a flower, you have to make a depression in the center of the flower and emboss the petals, so that it gets a 3D effect. So accordingly, you have to get an idea of like where to emboss the water can and the handle, where it should be embossed. You should have an idea, and once you get an idea of how to do it, then it will be easy. So here I am embossing using the embossing tools. It comes in various size. The ball size will be different. So based on the design, you can choose the embossing tool. So once I have finished embossing, now I have to stick the foam tape to the base design. So I am using strips of foam tape to stick the image to the base. So where you want the image to be embossed, you can use the foam tape in that part. So either you can use foam tape or silicone glue or any other glue which gives you a 3D effect. So it's up to us. You can also use air dry clay for this purpose, or you can or the Fevicryl, that M-seal, or what you call mold it, which is easily available. You can use that too. So I have finished sticking the foam tape here, and now I am going to stick the design to the base. Very patiently you have to do this. You should not press it very hard, like just leave it. You can see the 3D effect coming up, but you should not press it too much. So now we have to cut the other layers as well similarly. So this is the third layer. It is mentioned there as L3, so it will be easy. So and there won't be no confusion. Even for a beginner it will be easy to do. So I am just fussy cutting all the layers one by one, so it will be easy for me as well. Once you have done all the fussy cutting, but make sure you are keep sorting all the layers so that there won't be any confusion which layer to use. So one I have finished cutting all the layers now, and now I am embossing each layer. As I said, the flower petals should be embossed from the back side and the center part from the front side. So each layer is embossed. Now as a similar way, you have to stick the foam tape where you want the pattern to be stuck. You can use small size foam tape, no need of long strips of foam tape. I use like small, because the design is very small. Very tiny pieces of foam tape is fine. So here I am sticking the design. I hope now itself the 3D effect is emerging, like it is visible. You can see the 3D effect there. Once you have finished doing this work, the outcome will be beautiful. Anyone, like a beginner, can do this work. Once you get the hold of it, you can create any imagination is endless. So it's up to us how we want you can even decorate it in a candle or in a key holder or like in a name board. So the imagination, like, it's up to us. The creation is endless. So now I am sticking the other layers too. The small layers are there, so I am sticking that too. And after doing that, there are small flowers at the end on the floor, like they are scattered here and there, so they are also given layers to that too. So I will be sticking that. Now it's almost over. The frame is almost ready here, so last minute work is to be done. I'm really loving the frame. I hope you all like it. Please do like my channel, like my video, share, comment, and please do subscribe. Please, if you have any comments or any suggestions, please comment down below so that I'll surely reply to it. If any improvement is to be done, please let me know. So your suggestions are most welcome, which keeps me growing forward. So it's most welcome. So now I am sticking the small flowers and it's almost ready. It's like a quick what do you say, like you can gift it to someone. It's like quick gifting option. Everyone will love having such a gift. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.